Hi guys, it's me Anne and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to we're going to talk, okay? We need to have this conversation, okay? But before I get into that, again, my name is Anne if you're new here. If you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and make sure you select all notifications so that you can be alerted every time I upload a video. Before I get into this video, I want to give a special thank you to Anneayail, which is a lipstick line that is all natural, vegan, and non-GMO. I have one of their liquid lipsticks on right now, and it's just so amazing. So this is what some of them look like right here. I don't know. So this is actually a liquid lipstick, and it looks so cute because it's actually shaped like a lipstick, but then you open it. And this is so special because one of my subscribers actually started this line and I'm so proud of her. I'm going to leave the information right here and down in the description box. So if you're interested, you can definitely check her out with her liquid lipsticks. So I know there has been a whole bunch of back and forth about content creators and how much they charge for reviews and things like that. But then I also wanted to just kind of like talk about these AliExpress hair companies and the Amazon too, which is one and the same because if they sell on AliExpress, they most likely sell on Amazon. But I'm telling you, you can't make this up. So I'm going to read one of the inquiries that I got from a company not too long ago, and we're going to talk about this. It says, "Hi dear, good day. We are Blank Hair on Amazon and we are looking for YouTubers to prompt our hair. After watching your video, we impressed a lot by your brilliant work. You're so attractive. We can't wait to see your video with our hair. Please check our Amazon store to know us better. We require order hair from our Amazon store first. We will refund you your order money when your YouTube video finished. Send us a private link and leave us a word review on Amazon. No pictures needed. The video should be posted within 2 weeks once received the hair. Post 3 Insta pics at blank and add our store link in your bio for 2 weeks. We'll provide you another $10. Please note that your order amount is less than $100. We will give you a full refund after your YouTube review and Amazon review. Your order amount over $100, we will refund you $100 after your review. If you still have interest, please feel free to write back to us. Wait for your reply. Best regards." But we're going to read one more email and then we're going to talk about this. So I got an email from this hair company introducing themselves or whatever, asking, you know, if I would like to collab with them, etc. So I responded to their email as I do to all my business email, and I said, "Can you please specify what collaboration you're looking for?" And this is the email that I got in return. "Hey my dear, thanks for replying me. Usually the vloggers agree to make 3 or more video for free." You see that capital F-R-E-E? Okay, we're gonna get to that. "Such as an unboxing video, a curly hair routine video, and a 2-week update review. Or do an unboxing video, then an install video, and then an update about how the hair is holding up. Do the initial unboxing, telling her subscribers about the hair and our company, and provide them with the links to buy in the first video. Then the second will do a how to make a wig with closure video featuring our hair on the video and the title. Third video will be washing the hair, styling the wig, and then install it, and we'll tell them how the hair has held up over time. Also, some make hair tutorial video instead. How to do the video, just see if you like the hair or not. Like hair, then do video for full feeling, living and see natural. If not, but as stranger, no order or no warm-hearted, then the video look lifeless, not smart, and then watching review will less. So please think about it carefully and then tell me your plan so we can discuss more. Waiting for your good news." Okay. And I don't mean to sound controversial or come up anyway, but hair reviews are not free. Okay, they are definitely not free. And I basically expressed that. I was like, how can you send me an email telling me all these things to do, but first telling me that I'm going to do this for free, okay? And then this was the response. "But most agreed to make 3 videos for free. Some make 1 video free. This also you decide. In fact, no make a video not for promotion because until now the buyer from the videos just 2 people. Most see the store and not buy. We check how many people see our store from the video according to the links, how many people buy the goods, and we supply 100% human remedy hair that costs about $200 with shipping fees. So fair or unfair, just see location you stayed, right? Here's my thing, okay? When I got this email, I was kind of taken aback because I'm like, you're telling me that you're going to use my channel or use my platform in a certain light and you're going to do it for free. Now, I'm not saying that you have to nickel and dime and charge for everything, and I know that might get me kind of like, oh, your time is money and things like that. I totally get it. But I just want you to understand, AliExpress hair companies, that hair reviews are not free, okay? A wig cap, a deluxe wig cap, costs $5, okay? The little bonding glue that I use to just glue a track right above the wig so that it could blend like this, that costs $2. Shampoo and conditioner can cost $10. The freaking needle, the thread, whatever. Like, just a basic thing to make a wig can cost you 20 bucks just for the supply, okay? The freaking wig stand, the tripod that I have, the wig block, all of those cost me money. Okay, I'm not gonna buy it for every wig that I make, but it's something that I invested in. It's gonna cost you at least $20 US. And then on top of that, you have to factor in the time that you're gonna take to make this wig. It's going to take you maybe an hour or 2 or whatever. You're gonna co-wash the bundles, air dry them, some people see a little wax, then you have to like do all this. And imagine if you take on a hair review and you don't do your own hair, you don't make your own wigs. Then you have to pay someone to make the wig for you, or you have to go get it installed. Or let's say if you get the hair and you're like, you know what, it's fall time and I want to give a little vibe to the hair. I don't want my hair to just be black, let me color it. That's going to cost you money too. To go dye your hair like ash blonde, do you know how much bleach it's going to take? How much toner? How much developer? You can easily go to Sally's and spend $75 to color your hair, anything that's crazy. Okay, 1 bottle of Adore rinse costs $4.49 plus tax where I live. And I don't understand the company's position where they don't see how it's unfair to ask someone to promote and say that they're not doing it to earn any money. Then why are you commissioning someone to make a YouTube video for you for your hair? You're doing it because you want other people to be attracted to buy. So you're basically asking for a commercial. So what is the problem if someone decides that they're going to charge you or how much they charge you? If there are bloggers or hair people or YouTubers who decide that they want to do YouTube hair reviews for free, then that's fine. I get it. Sometimes you don't have to nickel and dime and charge for everything. For example, if you're going on vacation in a week and a hair company in a week or 2 and a hair company hits you up like, hey, we want to send you some hair for a review, and you're like, you know what, I was gonna go out and buy hair because I was going on vacation anyway, so you know what, send me 3 bundles of your curly hair and I'll make a wig and I'll review. Another thing that really gets me on my nerves with AliExpress hair companies, well, 2 more things, but one of those things is how they make their ads inquiring about reviews on platforms. They're looking for attractive black girls, or just the way that they write that, and I'm just like, that's not cute. That's not cool. What do you mean you're looking for an attractive black girl? Aren't all black girls attractive? What, like, aren't you just looking for someone to review your hair? Why does she have to be black? So it kind of feels like they're targeting us nice African American YouTubers and they don't want to pay. They do not want to pay. And by saying they don't want to pay, we're going to elaborate. When you decide now to go and say, okay, my rate is X amount of money, oh, that's too much, and you say $250, and they say, oh, that's too much money, can you do it for $50? How do we go from $250 to $50? How? And then you want 2-3 videos, you want Instagram photos, you want your link in the Instagram bio and all these things, and you want to pay $50 for it. And for those of you who are accepting to do 3 videos for a company for free, stop. No, I know I said don't nickel and dime, but don't be stupid either. It makes no sense. 3 videos for free, And what's so crazy is I went and I looked up the hair company, and lo and behold, I saw people with like 5,000 subscribers, 6,000, 2,000, whatever, and I saw that they really have one set of videos for this company, and I'm like, huh, they're really doing this. By you accepting this kind of deal, it makes it bad for everyone else. Okay, you want people who want to be full-time YouTubers to feel comfortable in doing this because they can get sponsorships. And I know sponsorships are a whole other topic. I'll make a whole different video for that if you want. So you have to be mindful that it's either you're going to exchange your time for money in working for a job, or you're going to exchange a service for money. One will get you rich and one will not. Please let me know your thoughts on this topic. Do you think that it's fair for a company for these AliExpress companies to strike these kind of deals, or to offer these kind of deals, or to just nickel and dime and lowball the African American YouTube content creators? Please let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and let's get a discussion going, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.